All right, welcome back to the Shade Tree Garage, or technically the Shade Tree carport. Out here in the beautiful weather, and started a task yesterday. I thought, be easy. Easy peasy is what one video said. My wife's license plate lights on her 2014 Jeep Patriot were out. Like, that's just a bulb, right? Well, both of them were out. There's two bulbs, and both were gone, and I suspected a fuse, but I thought, no, it's probably the bulbs. This car's 11 years old. So now the fixture, the two bulbs are behind this little door. It's got a clip here. You can just trigger it with your thumbnail or a screwdriver, and it opens right up. I mean, how easy can it be to get to the damn bulb? I mean, it was the easiest bulb to get to I think I've ever changed for the license plate light. Anyway, and then things got a little more difficult. Getting the bulbs out of the holder. Now, now I don't have a light here to shine up in there, but you can. Any of you who've ever tried to change the bulb on a 2014 that period Jeep Patriot, there's nothing to grab onto. You got the rounded end of the bulb sticking out of the socket, and you're trying to get your fingers up in this small cavity and pull. And if your car's a few years old, that bulb is stuck, and you're not going to get it out very easily. And a lot of times it gets broke. You try a pair of pliers to, kind of get it out. Well, I found a YouTuber posted a short video about doing just this, and he'd experienced the same thing we all have if you've tried to change these bulbs, and that you can't get the damn bulb out of the socket. You can get to it, but then that's it. And a lot of guys have used pliers to try to wiggle it out and busted the bulb. And then where are you? Well, this guy said try duct tape, and so now we tried duct tape yesterday, but the secret, and I'll show you this, and this is my orange duct tape. The secret is to get the duct tape wrapped around the bulb, so you kind of have to loop it and thread it over the top of the bulb, and then but bring it down and stick it on real tight. So then there's the end of the bulb that's in the socket. Here's the end of the bulb, and I've got the duct tape wrapped all the way around it. And so it's in there like that, and I've got the duct tape on it, and you have to wiggle it. But this method works 100%. You've got to make sure the duct tape is securely stuck to it. And then, now, this bulb hadn't moved in 11 years, so you will have to wiggle it around and then pull, and it'll come out. And I was shocked because I saw this guy do it, and we tried this yesterday. My son and I did, and we didn't wrap it all the way around the bulb, and that was the secret. Because once you have that, you've got a wonderful grip on it, and then you pull it out. And we got both of them out, and I've got here's the ends of this one. And the only thing, I got as much tape around it as I could. And you can see just the end of just the ends are showing here. Where it pushes in the socket. There's just little mini bulbs. Anyway, that worked, and that worked like a champ. And I know, I spent a lot of time on this yesterday trying to get the bulb out using various sorts of pliers. Even one of these. This is like a tight jar lid remover pad, and to no avail. That wasn't going to work, but the duct tape did. So, and I'll keep this video short and I've got the new bulbs ready to go in right now. But this worked, and it worked. But the duct tape worked, and I think that's about one of the. Something tells me Jeep has a special tool with like pliers shaped more like the bulb, with some sort of like moleskin or something kind of sticky, and you can just to do this. There's probably a special $125 tool to do this, but I will tell you, a couple pieces of duct tape are a whole lot cheaper and worked like a champ. All right, well, I'm going to put these new bulbs in and get this done. Thanks for watching, and give it a try. If you Just make sure the duct tape goes over the bulb and you get it securely grabbed by the adhesive on the duct tape, and you'll get it out. And again, you'll have to work it, grab that duct tape and work it around to try to break that seal if that bulb has been in there a long time. All right, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please leave a comment and a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to the Shade Tree Garage. We're doing all sorts of things, from working on my 55 Chevy and my 56 Plymouth to working on little stupid jobs on my wife's car and figuring out how to get it done. And again, thanks to YouTube. And I don't have the name of the other guy that had it, but he had a little short video, and now there's one YouTube video about changing these bulbs. It's easy peasy, is in the title. It's easy peasy only after you properly secure it with duct tape, I'll tell you that. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time here in the Shade Tree Garage.